Luxembourg is dedicated to combating extreme poverty, advancing sustainability, and improving access to social services in its partner countries. With 1% of its gross national income allocated to development cooperation, Luxembourg promotes improving access to quality basic social services, enhancing socio-economic integration of women and youth, promoting inclusive and sustainable growth, and strengthening inclusive governance. Evaluating the impact of aid programs is crucial for achieving desired outcomes. Since June 2022, the Directorate of Development Cooperation collaborates with LISER to enhance the analysis of development policy impacts. We established a dedicated research unit that equips the government and its implementing agency, Lux Development, with quantitative tools for rigorous impact evaluations. We employ distinct methodologies for pilot project evaluation, large-scale assessment, and prospective analysis. Before scaling up programs, pilot interventions are recommended in order to assess their effectiveness. Randomized controlled trials, RCTs, are recognized as one of the most reliable approaches for quantitative evaluation. RCTs randomly divide a population into intervention and control groups, comparing the results to determine the impact. These experiments are common in various fields, such as education and medicine, among others. JPAL, the world's largest research network specialized in RCTs, is a partner to conduct these experiments. Ex-post evaluations assess program impact on beneficiaries. Diverse data sources, such as surveys and administrative registers, are collected and analyzed. Quasi-experimental methods compare groups exposed to different levels or moments of policy interventions, such as vocational training, internet access, or health insurance. These methods leverage real-life circumstances to observe patterns and changes across groups or over time when RCTs are not feasible. Prospective analysis using structural models enable decision-makers to project long-term outcomes. These analyses provide valuable insights into the potential impacts of policies and interventions, anticipating outcomes related to demography, migration, institutional reforms, and natural disasters. Structural models, mathematical representations of actual economies, simulate the impact of scenarios and policy reforms, aiding informed decision-making. Impact evaluations are essential tools for policymakers, program managers, and NGOs. They shape evidence-based policies, optimize resource utilization, and foster societal transformations. LISER aims to foster a culture of evidence-based policymaking through research, training, and capacity building on development policy effectiveness.